I'm just gonna live code so you guys can see what I pretty much do. Pretty much what I'm gonna do right now is just I have a template that I'm working with and I want to put that online. So right here I have which more documents, my web development, my websites. Here I have where's the folder? I have all my skeletons here and web templates. So here I want to use telemetry. This is the one I'm probably going to use for the site. So these are different colors. I think the blue one. Let me see how this blue one looks. Yeah, this looks pretty nice. So I'm going to use this. Grab this folder. Sites. The website that I'm going to build has to do with security. I just want to make a template real quick. So I'm just going to grab. I'm not going to say too much of what it is, but you guys can just see what I'm doing. I'm pretty much just grabbing a template. So once you're a coder, the best thing you could do, and you don't have too much UI UX design experience, is try to find templates online or find something, or you can use Bootstrap if you want. So here you go to Bootstrap, and then they have probably demos that you can use or themes. There's a couple themes that you can get. They also have some templates that you can download. You can use Bootstrap too. I'm using Pixelarity. So what I want to do is I usually use Heroku for my server since it's actually free. So I'm gonna log in. Or I'm already logged in. Yep, I'm already logged in. So what I'm gonna do is I want this site to go up. So I'm gonna go to this. So I'm going to my directory, and obviously to push to Heroku, I need to have it installed. So I have to have git. So I'm just do git init. So you guys can see this better. Git init. As you guys can see, the .git file has been created, and I want to make a Heroku application. So just do Heroku create. I have downloaded the Heroku CLI, so if you guys open your terminal or your git bash and it doesn't work, it's because probably you guys haven't installed it with the CLI. And now I can check my remotes. Oops. And my application is now connected to this URL in Heroku. If you guys want to see it, you guys can go right here. It's called Serene. And see, it has been created right here, Serene. You can do everything through the UI, but I just feel like doing things through the CLI is so much simpler and easier since you don't have to have a web page open, and there's so much you can do with these commands. And I'm just gonna see my status. I'm gonna add all of them. And actually, I'll commit it. Call my first commit. And to push it to Heroku, obviously I want this to be a Node app, but I'm just gonna make it a PHP app for right now, just because I just want to see it real quick, and doing it with Node is going to take a little bit longer. So you need this composer JSON. You guys can see it's just an empty JSON object. And this index.php, which pretty much includes your index.html. So as you can see, include once your HTML file. And those are the only two files I need. And I'm just gonna go to my security site, paste it, and then here, see my status, to add composer in the index, and it, and then git push, since I want to push it to heroku master. And it should be up. So when I go over here to Serene, I open my application. Is there? That was fast and easy. Okay. So what are my next steps? For this, I want to, I'm making this indexation now. I want to have a sign up. So actually, let me look at the elements to see how this looks like. Okay, this looks nice. I was also thinking of putting a video up here, since it's a little bit modern, and I've used this website right here, cover.co. So my company pretty much is Grind Limited, and we just did a new site. We haven't pushed it completely up yet. I mean, it's in the internet, but we haven't connected to DNS. Salty Ocean. And we're still making modifications to it. So let's see. Well, that loads out. So this is my company name. We're currently working on the new upgraded website, and as you can see, we put this background video. It looks really, really nice. And this is the site that we had. Obviously, we offer full site web application development. We do data analytics, and we're currently learning data engineering, so we could provide this to clients. Social media marketing, SEO, cloud computing, which I'm currently studying to get my AWS exam certificate. And the people that work with us, obviously, there's a lot of things to add and enhance, and we got to add our solutions, our portfolio. So we're updating, but this is what I want it to look like on this screen for this new site. I just don't know what to put. I've been looking in. Probably. I don't know, this looks cool. I'll probably just put something random right now. I think the nature ones always look good. This is cover.co. Oh, actually, this tech one, you know, it's extremely difficult to find things here sometimes. I don't know. As long as this is up, this is good. Here I'm gonna add a sign in. So I usually use Visual Code. So that's code that I have. So right here next to home, I want to add sign in, or I should add it to the end. So after elements, add here, sign in. And obviously I'm going to do all my routes with Angular because I plan to do the application with Angular node. So you guys can see sign in. So this is probably solutions. It's a website that I want to kind of make a little bit the same, which is Palantir. I love their website, and something like this would be pretty nice. Where we're trying to build. So solutions, I'm probably going products and about. And I think that should be it. I'll put about here. And switch the solution with about. Home products, let me see. Let me bring this over. So home products, solutions, about, and sign in. I think that's pretty good. This right here, I can change. I'm just going to put security for now. Eventually we'll put the name of our startup or whatever we end up calling the product we're building. So we're building a website. In the website we'll have the solutions, well, the product that we're building. I'll just put my name. And Edwin is my uncle. And here I'll just put I don't know what to write. Wanting to. I'll just leave it as that for right now. I feel like that looks good. This is okay. I can end up changing all this. This is good. I'm just gonna push this online real quick. So I'm just gonna go right here. So status, my status, the add index. There's two indexes. So you can commit. Publication. I usually use source tree, which I'll probably be using. You guys can see when I start doing it, and it's actually pretty easy to use. So I'll get into that later on when I start using it. I'll show you guys how to do some workarounds around it or watch some of my other videos. So this should be up. Let me go right here to open this application. Yep, home product solutions about signing. That's up. You guys can see Serene Craig, blah blah blah, heroku.com. So now you can access this globally, and this is free. In Heroku, you get a couple free. Obviously, I think there's a paid version since I'm working with somebody else, but I think you get 5 free ones if you do this. And this is pretty much all I want, because from there on off, I'm going to be working with the sign-in. So I'm going to work with the sign-in right now. So I'm just going to create a new page. So here, do sign-in HTML, which creates my HTML page. It's a blank HTML page. and I'm gonna open it. No, I clicked on the wrong one. Wow, it was blank. So I'm gonna look at the elements page. So for the sign in, I want, over here to, where is it? This one. So for the, Jesus. So I want to have this form right here in my sign in. So I'm just gonna go and copy that. Just go over here to form. And literally just copy all this. Let me see what that is. Form. Search. Okay. Section. Obviously, this is going to be a single page application, so I don't have to add anything else. And we'll do that later. I just want my sign in to work. And let me see what else this has. So this has main section. And so let me see here in the sign in what it looks like. And then I'll have to add these. But I think I'm gonna have to connect the CSS, the assets. Actually, I'll just add this right now and I'll take it off once I start working implementing the Angular. And obviously, technically I wouldn't do it this way. I usually start with the back end, but since I just want to work with the front end right now, I will just do it like this for right now. So that's good. Now I need to uncomment these two, which is the wrapper and the inner, which is, it's a section. So I have a section and a div. So I have a section and we close it with the div. And that should work. And there. That should be my sign-in page. So here in form, I'll do sign in. And obviously none of this is going to work since I have no backend connected, or I don't even have JavaScript, which I'm going to use Angular for. So it's nothing right now. So sign in. I do want the sign in to be in the middle. I'm going to make it do center. And put it in the center. I want the name, email. I don't want this category, so let me delete it. Low, normal, high. I don't need that. If for any reason I need all this later, obviously I can go back to the elements page and grab this. This email me, copy, human or message. Don't need none of that. So this is gone. Really all I need is sign in, name, email. Don't need this either. This is sign in and sign up. I think it'll be better if you guys see this way. So, a little bit better. What's not good for me is huge, but I'll deal with it. My page usually is at 75. That's me at 100. I guess I can keep it at 100. I think I might want these in rows. So just switch this to 12 and switch this to 12. And I want to put the sign in and sign up in the middle. I think that looks better from like a UI UX perspective. I guess that doesn't work. That means maybe I put the center in here inside the div. Maybe that would work. There we go. So blah blah blah. So this is actually email. And this is going to be password. So I'm going to go back, this email, this is password. But obviously for the password, I don't want it to show up as a letter. So this is a password. So I'm going to do, instead of type that text, I'll just do type that password. And then when we go back here, there's a password. And then signing will take you to a new page. Oh, this one back. And sign up. I feel like this might need a border. Maybe. Border CSS. Border style. So. I don't know why my screen keeps doing this. Border style solid. Maybe that's not the right place to do it. Okay. I did want a border, but it doesn't seem to work. I don't know why. Maybe this CSS in the template is not allowing me to. Let me not off this. So let's see how AWS does your signing. I think this is good enough. I think this should be shorter. I'm trying to see. Let me see their elements page. I do this matter. I need to do like an offset. How do you do offsets here? Maybe if we did, I'll have to look more into how you do the columns here. I'll just do 3. And then here I can have a 3. This probably is not a good way to do it, but it works for now. And there's my signing page. And I'll see the next video. I'll connect it to. Probably have to connect the Angular in the node. So we'll see how that works out. And I'll record that so you guys can see where I did. Thanks.